Hi sisters, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. This is Aisha and I'm back with another video. For today's video, it's going to be a skincare routine post makeup, how I get unready. So it's going to be all about that. And if you have come to my channel for the first time, then hi, my name is Aisha. I create content on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And on that note, let's get started. So first thing, we need a hairband. So let's get started. So first thing, I will be taking out the lashes what I have applied. These are the cluster lashes. Okay, so the lashes are off. We will start with our skincare. So I like to go with this cleansing balm, and I use this for my PM skincare routine as well. Whenever I feel like going with triple cleansing, basically I go with this product, and I'm taking a very good amount of the product because I have applied the eyeliner and the mascara, so we need a good amount of cleansing balm. I really like the way how it melts on the skin, and it makes really easy to remove all the makeup. And now I like to take a cotton pad and remove. Now I'm gonna quickly remove the complete makeup off camera and wash my face with water, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I washed my face with water and this is how my skin looks right now. Now I like to go with the cleansing oil, but if you have oily skin, then you can totally avoid this step. I basically like to go with the cleansing oil after the cleansing balm, just to make sure there is no product left. So I'm going to and now I'm gonna take off the cleansing oil by using the cotton pad. You can also use a microfiber cloth to take off the product. Now I'm ready to move on to the next step, which is to use a makeup remover, and this is by the one. I like to go with this makeup remover and make sure there is no makeup left on my skin. I like to take a good amount of remover and use a cotton pad to remove the makeup. गलती से आँख में चला गया, it's burning. Now I'm gonna wash my face using the cleanser, and this is like my go-to cleanser by the Face Shop. It is a smoothing cleanser. I like to wash my face with this cleanser. Now I'm gonna quickly wash my face with water and I'll be right back. Now let's move on to the next step. I'm already tired, that's why I don't like applying makeup. So for my next step, I will be going with the foaming cleanser. For my foaming cleanser, I'm using this one by Cabot. I like to go with this product. A foaming cleanser is a must because it feels so good. So I will quickly wash my face and I will be right back. Finally, I'm back. We did lots of washing today, and now I will quickly move on to the next step, which is to apply a toner, because to keep the skin hydrated, and this one is by Aqualogica toning mist. So I like to go with this toner and wait for 2 minutes. And now we are ready to move on to the next step, which is to use a serum. And for my serum today, I'm using this one by the Dermaco, which I like to use. Now the serum is all there. I will move on to the next step, which is to apply the essence. Now I'm gonna wait for 2 minutes before I move on to the last step of this routine. And finally, for my last step, I'm using a moisturizer, and this is by the Face Shop. I recently got this moisturizer. So far I am kind of loving this product. So I'm going to take a really good amount of product and apply it, and this is going to be the last step of the routine. So this is what we get after so many steps. So on that note, we have come to end of this routine, end of this video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you all. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.